This is the second part of the chapter Lines and Angles for class 9. Let us study some more interesting properties of a parallel line. When two parallel lines is intersected by a transversal, it forms 8 angles. You can see here. So list of all pairs of angles that fit the description. They form corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angle and consecutive interior angles. Let us study the relationship of these angles. Corresponding angles. You know, when two parallel lines is intersected by a line, that line is known as transversal. So it make 8 different angles. So corresponding angles are marked here. 2 and 4, 1 and 3, 5 and 7, 6 and 8. The relation between them, they are congruent. Congruent means they are exactly equal to each other. Second is alternate interior angles. When we talk about interior, this is the inner part of between the two parallel lines like 2, 3, 6 and 7. So what is the relation between them? 3 and 7 makes up alternate interior angles. That means it forms Z. 3 and 7 and 2 and 6. These angles are known as alternate interior angles and they are congruent. Next is alternate exterior angle. When we talk about exterior, we are talking about the angles which is in the exterior part of the parallel lines like 1, 4, 5 and angle 8. So what is the relation is 1 is exactly equals to 5 and angle 4 is exactly equals to 8. They are congruent to each other. Now, the fourth part is consecutive interior angle. Again here we use the term interior. So this interior is term means the angles between the parallel lines. So we are talking about the angles angle 2, 3, 6 and 7. So what is the relation between them? No. This is not congruent, but the relation is here. They are supplementary. That means angle on the same side of the transversal, their sum is always 180 degree. Like 2 plus angle 3 always form 180 degree and angle 6 plus 7 forms, when you add both, it is 180 degree. That means they are supplementary. Now let's discuss some more questions. One angle is given. You have to find out all angle measures. So clearly 2 will be equals to 67. The concept is vertical opposite angle. For angle 2 is vertical opposite angles. Next is to find out 1, we use the linear pair axiom. Sum of both the angle 1 plus angle 67 is 180 degree. You know the linear pair axiom that we have already did in the previous video. So 1 will be equals to 113. So clearly what's in opposite? This is angle 3. So angle 3 will also be 113. So 113, it forms angle 5 is 113 because it is alternate interior angle concept. Angle 7 is also 113. Vertical opposite angle, angle 8 is 67, that is corresponding angle. And the last one, angle 6 is also 67. This is vertical opposite angle. Name the angle relationship. Are they congruent or supplementary? find the value of x. So let us start from the first. Name the angle relationship. 5x degree and 125. What is the angle relationship? Yes, it is alternate exterior angles. So what are they congruent? Yes, they are congruent. That means both the angles are equal to each other. So obviously 5x is equals to 125. When we divide both the side by 5, we will get the value of x to be 25 degree. Next concept is figure is given, name the angle relationship. Yes, it is corresponding angles. Are they congruent or supplementary? We know that corresponding angles are also congruent. That means 2x plus 1 is equals to 151. Hence, we will subtract both the side by minus 1 to get 2x is equals to 150 degree. So now dividing by 2 on both the side, we will get the value of x to be 75 degree. Next concept is name the angle relationship. Carefully observe, it is consecutive interior angles. Are they congruent? No, this time they are not congruent, but they are supplementary. That means sum of both the angle is 180 degree. So 7x plus 96 is equals to 180 degree. Subtracting both the side by 96, what we will get is 7x is equals to 84. So the final answer, when we divide both the side by 7, we get the value of x is equals to 12. So the next question is name the angle relationship. If you carefully observe this figure, it is alternate interior angles. Are they congruent or supplementary? Of course, they are congruent. That means 3x is equals to 2x plus 20. Subtracting both the side by 2x. So what we will get is 20 is equals to x. That means the value of x is 20. I hope all the concepts of a parallel line and a transversal line is clear to you, and all the angles associated with it like corresponding angle, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angle and co-interior angle concept is quite clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss some more higher order questions.